Hello my beautiful friends. Today I'm gonna make roasted eggplant mash or Baigan Bharta. For this I have two medium eggplants. They are washed and I pat them dry, and I'm gonna just oil them with this brush. For the recipe I have half a cup of oil. I'm preheating the oven on 400 degrees, and over here I'm preparing this on a baking tray. Oil them a little bit so they get roasted nicely and evenly. Two medium onions chopped in the omelette style onions, and I'll take two medium tomatoes chopped into smaller pieces. It will be easier for them to get tender in less time. For the dry spices, we have half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, which we are going to add in the end. Half cup of oil for cooking, and the first ingredients to jump into the oil is half teaspoon of cumin seeds, white zero, and mustard seeds, which is 1 teaspoon. And along with that will go ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon. Take 1/3 of oil in a pot and add the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds. Let them fry a little bit. Add the chopped onion and fry them for a minute or two until they change their color and becomes light golden. Turn the flame to medium low and add ginger garlic paste to it. 2 teaspoons. Mix. While the tomatoes are being cooked and getting fried for a minute or two, I have to show you that 1 cup of frozen sweet peas are optional. If you like it, you can add it to the roasted eggplant mash. And the other stuff to garnish is 1 green chili and handful of coriander leaves. I'm gonna cut them into pieces, the chili slices, and then I have the frozen coriander. You can also add the fresh coriander leaves to it. After frying the tomatoes for 3 to 4 minutes, you're adding all the dry spices to it along with 1/3 cup of water. Mix it and cover it with the lid on medium to low flame until all the tomatoes and onions are tender and cooked together along with the dry spices. If you feel like that everything is sticking to the bottom of the pot or your pan, please add 2 tablespoons of more water. Slowing down the flame from high to medium low, cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. After roasting the eggplants for 50 to 55 minutes, or if you see the need to roast them for an hour, which is 60 minutes, you can do that. We have to peel the skin off and mash the eggplants. So here you can see how easy it was to peel the skin of the eggplant, and if you can see the steam coming out of it, when we put the oil and brush it on top of the skin of the eggplant, it's so easy to come off. Now I'm gonna mash the eggplants. So this is how the mashed eggplant looks like. I mashed it with the help of a fork, and now adding it to the mixture of onion and tomato. Mix it and cook, and add the sliced green chili and the frozen sweet peas to it. Here comes the chilies. You can just mix it and cook it together. Add 4 tablespoons of water. Cover it and cook it on medium to low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Last but not the least, garnish this dish with the frozen or fresh coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, which is allspice. After garnishing it with allspice powder, coriander leaves, also I have added 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add more or less according to your taste. Give it a mix and then dish it out. It's ready to be served with naan, rice, or any dinner choices. This is the final look of the roasted eggplant mash or the Baigan ka bharta. Try it, enjoy it with your family. Till my next video, take care. Love you all. Goodbye.